Numbers are all around us. We see them everywhere. This is a part of our lives. Of course, numbers can represent many things to us as adults. Then what do numbers mean to a young child? Do they actually mean anything at all? Or are they just numbers? Is it that they are able to count up to 100, but when you ask them to count and give you 63 crayons, they are not able to do that. They skip numbers. They forget numbers. They don't know one-to-one correspondence because the focus is only on recitation. So, numbers don't actually exist anywhere. But people talk as if they do because they become such familiar objects for most adults, Parents are talking to children about numbers as if they exist. And you can see, look, there is one on that bus. But actually, all you see on a bus is a numeral. It doesn't actually say a number itself. Now, that's pretty confusing for children, and it's confusing because they meet this sort of things very early on. Number magic is a multi-sensory approach focusing on oral and mental work, inspiring children to think mathematically. The best thing about number magic is that not only does it make numbers real for children, in the sense that they can touch them, see them, it also makes number relationships real for them because they can see very clearly, and each next number is one bigger than the next one by the system patterns we use. This encourages children to think reasonably, and that is why at Podar Kids we are proud to announce the Number Magic program introduced to help support numbers and math understanding in the early years.
3 plus 5 makes 8.
Working with number magic encourages children to reason, to think logically and systematically as they apply their understanding in many ways. And because children show their understanding in what they do, number magic helps teachers see their thinking. It's a way of seeing how their minds are working and see how they are able to put those connections together.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Sure.
9.
Wow, so which number tile it is?
9.
Okay. Now I want you to take away 3 from 9. Can you do that for me?
Yes.
So how much do you have left?
6.
Count and show me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Number magic approach lends itself to a variety of teaching situations and can be used across the ability range.